how to add admin commands to your Roblox game. So first open up your Roblox studio. So I have mine right here. I simply click on it for it to open up. And once you're here, you could either do this to your existing game or you could create a new one. So I'll just create a new one right here. I'll choose the base plate right here. I'll just simply click on that to open it. Now once it's opened up, just go to view here on the top side of your screen. Then make sure that toolbox is opened right there. So it's like highlighted right here. Make sure it's open. Simply click on them. Now go to home on the navigation bar to the top. Then make sure that toolbox is also selected there. So as you can see, make sure it's selected right there. So now you can see the toolbox here on the left side of the screen. I'm just gonna resize it so that I could see it more, or you could see it more. Then make sure that you're here on the model section. Then here on the search bar, you'd want to search for, just type in Coles admin right here. Then simply click on it. And there'd be a bunch of stuff right here, as you can see. Just find the one that has high ratings. So right here, as you can see, it has 92% rating and 80K right there. But on the other ones, it's just 20 plus, 90 plus, and it just has low ratings. So this is the real one. So that's how you should check it. So just simply click on it, then drag it to the screen right here. And this will pop up. You just need to simply click on OK. Now, you could see the script right here. So if you're making a game, I suggest that you hide it, but since this is a guide, I'll just keep it right there. You could move it to anywhere you want. You could hide it on an object, or you could place it on a high surface or something. I'll just leave it right there. Now next that you want to do is go to the Explorer tab on the right side of your screen. So right here, I'll just resize it again so that you could see it better. Then here on the Coles Admin Infinite, so I'll just click on the arrow button right here to expand it. Then there will be three options right here. So the thumbnail, camera, and credit. What you want to open is the credit option right there. Click on the arrow, then go to settings here. So just simply double tap on the settings, and this will open up a script right there. I'll just simply accept this terms and policy, and just simply click on OK. Now you will see the owners, super admins, admins, mods, and VIP right here. Now I suggest that you add yourself to the owners, of course, so that you could use all the commands and stuff. You could also add your friends if you want, but if you're wondering how to add yourself on this script, just simply click on the middle of the bracket right here, then add a single quote. So if you click on that on your keyboard, it will add two right there. Then just simply input your username. So I'll have mine right here. Then once that's done, you simply need to exit out. So click on the exit button on the tab right there. Now you could check it by simply clicking on play on the top side on the navigation bar right here. Just simply click on play, wait for it to load. Now if you have added your friends, so let's say I'm using another account and I've put my name on the settings right here, they should see a command list popping up, or like a prompt that you could make commands and stuff. So since I've input my name, so as you can see, it says right here, you do not need to add yourselves to any of these lists since I basically created it. But if you added your friends, they could now go here and do commands and stuff. Or it could also be your other account if you want. And that's how you basically add admin commands to your Roblox game.